Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock chat on Telegram. And here's how it is done. Go to your Telegram app, go to settings, scroll down, and head over to privacy and security. Under privacy and security, the very top options, you are going to want to click the second one, which is passcode lock. Now essentially, you are going to want to set a passcode for your Telegram. I am going to set a pretty easy one right here, which is going to be very simple. Once I do that, a passcode lock is now enabled on my Telegram account. And what that is going to do is essentially lock my chats on Telegram whenever I want to. If I head back to my chats right here on Telegram, you can see that there is now a lock on top where it says chat. If I click it, it will lock Telegram chats right here. So if anyone wants to have access to my phone, I could essentially lock chats on Telegram just so they can see it. That is everything you need to know about how to lock chat on Telegram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.